What's up guys, we got a present for you from France and this is the latest Thomson television. This is the Thomson 55 inches Oath Pro 55 Max. The model is OP Max 55 and it's really OP. So let's go ahead and check it out. First of all, the TV is booting and it's Android TV. As you can see, it's got the latest version of Android for television, which is Android version 10. And with that, you get a lot of goodies like the apps, the interface, and even Apple TVs on Google Android TVs now. And the interface has got a lot better and a lot fun to use. So the TV has loaded and you can see the interface might be very familiar because all the Android TVs look like that, but there are a lot of things that Thomson has done to make the sound better, to make the picture better. So let's go ahead and check out the television. So before we start talking about the television, let's see what comes in the box. So in the box you get obviously one TV unit, the remote control, wall mount, user manual and two AAA batteries, and you also get this rose gold alloy stands with the TV. And the best part about this was the assembling of the TV was very simple because you had screws already screwed on the TV unit, so you don't have to search for it in the packet or in the box. Also another thing that I noticed was nice was that the stands had A and B markings, which made it very simple for us to put the stands on the TV. So Thomson as a brand is a 120 years old brand. It's got a legacy for one of the first and the oldest television makers in the world. So that's what I love about Thomson television, you know, carrying on the legacy, bringing you new age features. And just look at this TV, it's so beautiful, especially this gold color and these gold stand. I just love the design, and also that it is bezel-less makes a great viewing experience. So talking about viewing experience, let's talk about the display of this television. So in terms of display, you get the IPS panel, which is 4K Ultra HD with a 3840x2160 resolution. You also get 500 nits of brightness, HDR10+, HLG, which is hybrid log gamma, 1 billion colors, and multiple video modes: sports, game, vivid, and movie. And powering all that is quad-core processor from MediaTek, which is ARM Cortex A53 with 1.5 GHz CPU, a Mali 450 GPU, MEMC technology, 2 GB of RAM, 8 GB of ROM, 2.4 GHz of Wi-Fi, and a 178 degrees viewing angle. In terms of connectivity features, you get 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, 1 RGB port, 1 headphone jack, a RF connectivity input, a RF connectivity output, a Ethernet port. And not just the design of the TV, the remote is also really nice and compact. What do you expect from a new age smart television? In terms of buttons, you get a jog dial kind of a button on the top, and on the bottom you get all the quick options like Netflix, Prime Video, Google Play Store, and all the other options. You also have a microphone and a Google Assistant button to give your voice commands. Now let's talk about the sound of the television, because it's not just about the picture, it's also about the sound, which makes it an immersive experience when it comes to television viewing experiences. So in terms of sound, you get a 40-watt front-firing speakers, which is great. You also get Dolby DTS, you get Dolby Digital Plus, you also get a Dolby MS12 encoder, and you also get DTS True Surround. In terms of sound modes, you get movie mode, sports mode, and a few other modes to make your experience great. And since the television comes with great 40-watt DTS surround Dolby Digital Plus speakers, you can listen to your favorite audio from Spotify, Wink Music, YouTube Music, and all the other music apps. And the best part about this TV is the Android 10 experience, which is something that is missing from a lot of TVs. A lot of TV manufacturers don't upgrade to that version of the Android, or are not launching television that come along with Android 10 preloaded. So that's the best part about this TV, so that you are secure, you're safe, and their apps cannot take away your data, because Android 10 will have all the safety patches, and it already has the latest version of safety patch installed on this television. And along with that, you also get features like AirPlay, which is really great if you're using iOS devices. You get Chromecast built in, so you can just throw away any screen through the Chromecast feature, whether you're using a laptop, Android phone, Android tablet, which is great. So that was our first look and unboxing of the Thomson OP Max 55 inches television. Now let's talk about the price of this television. Well, the MRP is 55,000 rupees, 54,999, but you can get it on Flipkart for 37,999, which is 38,000 rupees. But you also have some bank offers where you can get 1,000 or 1,500 rupees off. So effectively, the TV will be somewhere close to 35,000-36,000 rupees. And for this TV with this sound and this display, it's a really good deal. 36,000 for 55 inches TV with Android 10, Dolby Surround, and great picture quality, and obviously very good looking designs, and especially this golden design. I really recommend this TV if you're looking out for a 55 TV in the market. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, share this video. Thanks for watching the Unbiased Vlog.